This is a Pantene Pro V commercial waiting to happen. Like, great! Okay, you guys, I'm coming to you with a hair tool styling haul. Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with something a little bit different. I picked up a couple of styling tools from my local Target, and I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys how they actually work. Now the styling tools I decided to pick up are the Bedhead TG Wave Artist Tourmaline Ceramic Deep Waver. And then I picked up the Remington Pro 1.5 inch to 1 inch curling wand because my other wand from Duvolle, you guys, completely snapped while I was using it. I know sometimes you want different sized curls and you don't want to necessarily go out and buy a bunch of different curling wands. I found this curling wand from the Curl collection of Conair, and it does come with a 3-in-1 ceramic curling wand kit, which I thought was amazing. So instead of going out and buying multiple different sized curling wands, this is a 3-in-1 package, honey. So you get this small 1/2 inch curling wand, a 1 inch curling wand, and a 1/4 inch to 1 inch curling wand. This unit that I have on right here, that's from the Bobbi Boss, it's supposed to be straight, but I kind of like the fact that it's giving this like natural wavy vibe. This hair has been giving me life, you guys. I've been wearing this bad boy for like a good 3.5 to 4 weeks, and it's just been popping back to life. I've been straightening this bad boy like every day to kind of just get rid of these waves, but honey, this hair is holding up well, and I felt this would be a good starting out pattern to just test out these different styling tools on, honey. So let's just pop right into it and see how these tools are working on this hair, honey. Okay guys, so first off, I'm gonna try the Bedhead TG Wave Artist. So let me just show you guys what this is looking like. It does have the option to open and to lock. So this is open right now, so you would just press it down like this and lock it like that. Then you do get your typical on and off button right there. And then also there's not necessarily a temperature gauge, it just says high and low, so I just went and put it as high as it can go. So this is my first time trying a little crimp out situation, so we're gonna see how it works. And you're gonna want to go from the scalp to the bottom of the hair. So I'm gonna just hold it on there for like maybe 15 seconds and see what I'm working with. And now I'm going to start off where the last crimp stops. So you see that right there. I'm going to just put this right there to hopefully continue this crimp situation. Okay, so that's the crimp, and I think that's actually kind of cute. So this is what the crimps are looking like, and I kind of just want to comb through them some. So I kind of like the wave actually that it's given. I wish I didn't start off so high. Okay you guys, so now I'm gonna try the Remington Pro 1/2 inch to 1 inch curling wand. It did also come with a glove. It does have a little LED screen to show you the temperature, which is nice. This one goes all the way up to 410 degrees. I'll do 380. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. This hair curls like nobody's business, you guys. I like this look better than the crimp, to be honest. Honey, look at these curls. Girl. This is the crimp side. This is the Remington Pro. honey. Alright, so let's move on to the third. This one is going to be the Conair, the curl collection that comes with 3 different wands. This yellow one is the Coily, which is the smallest. Coral is the curly, which is the medium sized one. And then this blue is the wavy, which is the larger sized one. So it has these 4 plug-in slots, and the bottom of the wand will have those as well, so you just match those bad boys up. It has a lock and unlock little picture right here, and it also has an arrow on the wand, so you just line up the arrow with the little lock signature, and then you turn this so that it's locked to unlock. And this one also looks like it has an LED temperature gauge, so I'm assuming you just press the color of which wand you have on there. I have the yellow, so I'm gonna press the yellow. Here's the power, so I'm gonna turn on the power and I'm gonna press the yellow. It is super coily, you guys. I can already tell this is not the type of curl that I would be going for. I think I would probably try this on my natural hair. And I'm going to try the curly one next, which is the coral colored one. So let's see how that one looks. Now I swap to the coral, which is the curly wave pattern, the second largest one. So as you can see, this curl is larger. The coily yellow one is right next to it. So that's the difference in the pattern. And like I showed you guys, this first one right here is from the Remington Pro. Okay guys, so now we're going to do the last wand, which is the largest one, the wavy wand, which is the blue one. So this is the crimped side. These first 2 curls right here are from the Remington Pro. This coily one right here is from the yellow smallest curler from the Coily Curl Collective Conair unit. This one right here is the curly wand, which is the second to largest. And then this one in the back is the largest one, which is the wavy. So I just want to jump into my overall thoughts on these styling tools. So in my honest opinion, I've tried all 3 of them. Now I would say the one that I like the most is probably going to be the Conair Curl Collective with the 3-in-1 wands, specifically because of versatility that you get with them. It seems like it's very useful for sure. You can get different styles with it. You don't need to go out and purchase multiple wands. The quality of the actual tool itself felt really good. The heat up time was super quick. It comes with a glove, so I definitely feel like this is definitely going to be at the top of my list. It's definitely one I feel like you should have in your arsenal if you are interested in any sort of curling wand. And then the second one I definitely would go with would be the Remington Pro. That seems like just a solid tool in general. The curls that it gave me are very beautiful. Comes with a glove. I feel like you definitely can't go wrong. And then the third one at the bottom of my list is going to be the Bedhead Deep Waver. I don't think any of these products were bad in my opinion. I feel like they all worked well. They all did what they were supposed to do. I think it's very much based on what your preference is. I want to comb it out a little bit and see if I like it a little more. Yeah, I like it more combed out, and like I said, I wish in the beginning I didn't go as high with the deep waver as I did, because I feel like I would probably like it a little bit more. Let me know which one of these styling tools is your favorite. Let me know if you've picked up any of these and had a positive experience, a negative experience. I want to hear all about it, girl. Are you liking the one I like the most, which is from the Curl Collective? Are you liking the Remington Pro one the most, or are you liking the deep waver? So that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units, any of the tools, anything, girl, you guys want me to pick up. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.